So what do you do on a day where you can't leave the ship because you're crossing the Atlantic Ocean? What to do on a sea day? Hitting the gym. We just saw some birds. We thought there were birds flying over the ocean, but of course it doesn't make sense that in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean there are birds. We think there must be fish flying over the water, pretty close to the water, and then diving back in.
Relaxing.
Living the hammock life.
Yes, under the sun, on the biggest cruise ship I've ever seen.
Even better.
Because I have it all to myself. This view for working on YouTube videos and new destinations to visit, it's the best. I'm so happy. An ice cold beer with breadfruit taste, of course. It's the best beer of my life. I'm so happy.
6 hours later.
My first and only paid wine on the AIDA. We're doing it the correct way. It's production. It smells good. It looks nice. That's a good wine. Why isn't this the table wine? I would get drunk every day. We're drinking Fridge Reloaded.
Tasty Rico.